Hello guys, welcome to PuffyRule. I'm Roger. Hope all of you are safe. So before we start, I want to tell you, when I want to do this video, I researched a little bit and I found out some YouTubers want to help you, some YouTubers just want to bamboozle. It's one guy on YouTube who literally spends 40 minutes on a video, and after the video you realize you need to see somebody else's video. You just got bamboozled by that guy, and he actually has 1 million views on that video, so you need to be happy for him. You lost 40 minutes of your life, but he makes 1 million views on this kind of content, like this video, like 10,000 grand. Anyway, on that note, let's get into the rabbit hole. Today I'm gonna show you how to make easy and quick thumbnail in a fast pace in a small video. So let's get down to business. First, you can do this in Photoshop if you like, but this is easier and faster. I find out from somebody else as well. You need to go on Google, open Snap. I already have opened it, and here you can see you can create for Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Twitter, anyway. But today we're gonna show you for YouTube is the same process. You just go here. I don't use this because it's HD. You need a higher resolution, so full HD or 1080, 120, 1080. If you go on these ones, you already have a template. You can modify it how you like, but I like to do it my own, like everybody else. So let's create one thumbnail. You will see I use this a lot because it's easy and fast. First things first, you go to graphics, upload your picture. You see I already use it. Let's see, I have a picture somewhere here. You see you can rotate it, make it bigger. This is the thumbnail I'm gonna use for this video actually, so let's do it, okay? Also, this is the free version of Snappa, so you can use it for free. And I will show you what you have and what you don't have. So, let's stretch this like this. That. Now let's add a text, but before, let's do the background. I'm gonna use a pattern. You can use anything you like or upload something else. Let's use a color scheme. Now we're gonna do the text. I already have the text. Here you can make it how big you like. Sorry for that. 150 is for me. This, change the color, and now let's have a shape behind it so it looks better. I'm gonna take the square. You can choose what shape you like. One thing you need to remember, guys, about doing a thumbnail, you need to make it pop on your phone, because people watching on the phone or on the PC, and be sure it's all about your content. If your content is you in front of the camera, you just at the end of the video do some poses, and then you can put your image next to the text. They change this color to white. Now let's make it smaller, like this, like this. See? Let's add another one, another shape. And leave it to black.
2 hours later.
After you do the shapes, you can choose if you move the layer back and forth. I'm gonna do it like this. And then, like I said, you can use your own image, or if it's about something like my thumbnail, you search Facebook. Let's take this one because it pops. Save the image. Then YouTube as well, not this one. Actually, this one is okay. And Instagram button, because this is what we want to use. Okay, now let's upload the images. And crop it directly here. Let's now you see it's cropped like it. Gonna put it here. Rotate it a little bit. This is the free version. If you use the pro version, you can remove the background image, but it's $10 per month and you have access to all this. So it's good. It's actually real good. The price is very good. Okay, next. Everything is cropped, fast and easy. You can spend more time and do it proper. I'm gonna do the same thing, but this is how you do a thumbnail, fast and easy. You don't need to spend 40 minutes listening to a crazy guy. Wait 1 second, please. My fluffy dog wants to something with me. What? What do you like? Don't patronize me. Oh, yes. Yeah, just remember me something. If you want to support us, check our Patreon page. On that note, respect, and see you into the next rabbit hole.